We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Alice 啊，我们教了这么多年的课语啊，有些很基本的，我们竟然还没教到啊。
比方说，
我们英文会说 and or， or 就是还是这个或是这个。这种
客家话好像还没有教过。
还没教哎。How do you say or in Hakka?
压黑。
压黑。All right. So for instance, there's a famous line around the world. 其实全球都会说 coffee, tea, or me. 好，let's put you in this scenario. 你想喝咖啡还是茶 ？Do you want to drink coffee or tea?
想是咖啡。
想是咖啡。
压黑茶。
压黑茶。
想是咖啡，压黑茶。
压黑我们刚刚讲了 ，that's or, right? 茶就是茶 ，that's tea. And then 咖啡 coffee 就是咖啡，that's coffee. It sounds like coffee, right? So do you want coffee or tea? 我跟你讲，真的，我每一天都要喝至少2杯咖啡，
是哦，
上班才有精神，
精神才会好。
I need to drink coffee in order to stay alert at work. OK， 我要喝咖啡才有精神上班。
我爱吃咖啡，
我爱吃咖啡，
长有精神，
长有精神。
上班，我爱吃咖啡，长有精神上班。
上班 that means to work. 上班好，要有精神啊。精神 OK, that means to have energy, to be alert at all times, right? 那没问题，我帮你煮浓一点。这个时候如果真的想睡觉，真的浓一点呢会有效哦。
让你睡不着，
要苦苦的哦。All right, no problem. Let me make your coffee stronger.
冇问题。我
老五
煮较黏的味。
煮较黏的味。黏是浓的意思吗？如果淡的话呢？淡 OK, that means to make it light. All right, if you don't want that much caffeine. 你自己呢喜欢喝浓一点还淡一点？你喝咖啡吗？你不太喝。All right, let's review some of these phrases right here. That's very useful, such as coffee and tea. Coffee 怎么说？
咖啡
很简单啦。茶呢？茶 that's tea. And then to have energy, 精神 And to go to work, 上班然后呢再来浓跟淡，顺便再教一次。浓 to make it strong,
黏
and to make it light, 淡
淡
Now you know, and it's all about the word or the phrase or 还是
压黑。
压黑。All right, now all you coffee lovers, now you know how to order your coffee next time in Hakka. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么台嘎？
是谁？张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.